$14 per hour up to 25 hours. Then if you work more than 25 hours, every hour is $12. So there are two kind of rate. Then the worker can choose which one they prefer. Okay? So Mary worked 55 hours for a particular week. Recommend the rate that Mary should choose to earn a higher pay. Okay? So you are asked to justify your answer with calculation. So you must calculate and show that which rate can get her more money. Okay? 55 hours. So first we do for rate A. If she take rate A, up to 25 hours is $12 per hour. So $12 per hour times 25 hours is equals to 300. But Mary worked 55 hours. So other than the first 25 hours, she still got another 30 hours. And these 30 hours are charged at $14. So $14, she worked 30 hours to get $14 each. So 14 times 330 is 420. If she choose rate A, altogether she will get 300 plus 420 equals to $720. Okay? Then if she choose rate B instead, rate B, the first 25 hours is $14. So 14 times 25 equals to 350. But other than the first 25 hours, she altogether worked 55. So there is still another 30 hours, which is charged at $12. So 12 times 30 equals to 360. So if she choose rate B, she will get 350 plus 360 equals to 710. Okay? So if you were to recommend the rate that Mary should choose to earn a higher pay, 720 is higher than 710. Okay? So choose rate A. Choose rate A. Because rate A, she will earn more. Okay? Okay. This question is testing you on area and perimeter of a plane figure. The figure shows the dimension of a part of a basketball court. The shaded area represents the free throw zone. Then for those of you who play basketball, don't go and think that you know better which one is the free throw zone. Okay, just follow what the question say. The question say the shaded area here plus here are the free throw zone. Okay, so we must follow what the question say. These are the free throw zone. Okay, don't go and use your own understanding of free throw zone. Then you are asked to find the shaded area that represents the free throw zone. So altogether the free throw zone is made up of this rectangle plus this rectangle plus this semicircle. Okay? For the rectangle, very straightforward. Here 6.8 is the length, the width is 0.7 meter. And so here is also 6.8, here is 0.7. Then we want to know this semicircle, what is the area. So for circle, semicircle, whatever thing to do with circle, the radius is the most important thing that we need to know. So radius is from the center until the circumference. So we want to know what is this. We don't know, but we know that this entire length is 5. Okay, if this entire length is 5, here is 0.7, here is 0.7, means the diameter here is 5 minus 0.7 minus 0.7. Okay, equals to 3.6. If here is 3.6, here radius is half of 3.6, means it is 1.8. The radius of the circle is, of the semicircle is 1.8. Okay, then to find the shaded area. Shaded area, first one is this rectangle, 6.8 times 0.7. Then two identical rectangle, so we can straight away just 2 times this area, or you can 6.8 times 0.7 plus 6.8 times 0.7 for the second rectangle. Then this is for the rectangle. Then we also need the semicircle. One whole circle is pi r squared. So half a circle will be half of pi r squared. Okay? Equals 6.8 times 0.7 is 4.76. 4.76 times 2 is 9.52. Half of pi r squared. So we always use calculator pi unless question tell us to use other pi. Then this question tell us to use pi is 3.142. So we have to use 3.142. So we substitute pi by bracket and put 3.142 inside. Radius squared, r squared. R is 1.8. Okay? If you want, you can do all this working here first, show your working, okay? Or if you show your working here, it is also okay, like what I did. Okay? Radius is 1.8. The radius must be squared. So similarly, we are just substituting the value of r, which is 1.8. And when we substitute, we just replace what we substitute. So r replaced by a bracket, 1.8. All the other things never change. Square to r, square to the bracket. Okay? Calculator. 1.8 square times 3.142 times half equals to 5.09004. Then we need to, so 5.09004 is this part. We still need to plus 9.52. So plus 5.92. So altogether 11.01. 004 meter square. Okay? Then the perimeter of the free